A very good afternoon to one and all present here. So today we are going to discuss about the heat transfer and their basics. Okay. So first of all, heat transfer. So what is meant by heat transfer? Heat moves always from a cold body to higher body. That is a normal procedure. From higher body to a colder body. That is a normal procedure. So next one, hot objects in a cold room will cool to a room temperature. So this must be obviously takes place in heat transfer. Okay. So third one, cold objects in a warmer room will heat up to the room temperature. This is also again a vice versa. Next one, heat transfer methods. First one, heat transfer methods in three ways. One is conduction, second one will be convection, third one will be the radiation. Okay. So first of all, what is meant by conduction? When you heat a metal strip at one end, the heat travels to the other end. So how the heat transfer takes place? As our metal will contains a small amount of particles which vibrates. These vibrations makes the adjacent particles also vibrate. So on. These particles will be vibrates along with each other in a particular fluid motion. So these vibrations are passed along the metal rod. So the heat which is transferred along with the vibration can goes through to the other rod. We call this is as conduction. So the conduction will be in a hot the conduction will be in a same amount of or a same substances. So next one, so if we takes place the outer electrons of the metal atoms drift and are free to move. When these metals is heated and they are gaining the kinetic energy and transfer through the metal. Second one, the insulators such as wood and plastic do not have these electrons, which is the way they do not conduct heat as well as metals. Okay. Next one, the second mode will be convection. What happens in the convection? The convection will be takes place between the two bodies. One is fluids. Normally you can say this is as fluids. Okay. So in convection the particles spread out. It is a less dense. This affects the fluids or in we called as fluids or gases. So next one, the fluid movement in convection is cooler and more dense fluids they will shrink through the warmer and in the less dense fluids. Okay. In case the cooler fluids have more dense means and more dense fluids and they shrink through the warmer less dense fluids. This affects warmer liquids and gases will be rise up and cooler liquids and gases will be shrinks. Okay. So next one, the cold air when the freezer compartment in the fridge. So this is a freezer compartment. It is okay. It is in the top. So it's warmer at the bottom. So as this warmer air rises and the convection current is set up, so it is put at the top of because the cool air shrinks. So it cools the food by the way to the down. Next and the final mode of heat transfer will be the radiation. So how does this radiation? What is the classical example? So the classical example for the radiation will be the sunlight which falls directly to the earth's surface. Okay. So there is no particles between sun and earth, so it cannot travel by conduction or convection. So it's a direct contact of heat transfer. It is called radiation. So the radiation can travels in a straight lines. Radiation can travel through a vacuum also. Okay. The radiation requires particles to travel. No, it doesn't requires any particles for its traveling. So radiation travels at a speed of light. Yes, it can obviously moves through the speed of light. So now we can have a emission experiment for radiation. So we can have a simple experiment. So there are 4 containers were filled with warm water. Which container would have the warmest water after 10 minutes? So one is the shiny material container, another one is a dull metal, and third one will be a dull black, fourth one will be a shining black material. Okay, the shining material contains would be the warmest after 10 minutes because its shiny surface reflects heat radiation back into the container, so it is less lost. Okay, the dull black container would be the coolest because it is the best as at the emitting heat radiation. Okay, so another one simple experiment, 4 containers were placed equidistant from a heater. Which container would have a warmest water after 10 minutes? So similarly, it has first one will be the shiny, second one will be the dull metal, and third one will be the dull black, and fourth one will be the shiny black. Okay, the dull black container obviously would be the warmest after 10 minutes because its surface absorbs heat radiation the best. Okay, the shiny material content would be the coolest because it is poorest for absorbing the heat radiation. So these are all the simple experiments we will doing.